This is the trade plan which we first share on TradingView. This was the bottom and this was top. We buy low, sell high. After this top here, it made its first impulsive wave, then sideways correction. Sideways correction made this chart pattern, and chart pattern have 5 ABCDE waves. Wave E of chart pattern finished at 1875, where the next impulsive wave start. Since chart pattern can only happen in fourth wave or correction in ABC wave, so this is no third impulsive wave. When you draw Fibonacci extension from here to here, we get projection level at 1732. Correction wave made at least 100% projection. It can make more than that, but at least 100%. This is price action of last week after breakout of this chart pattern. Last time market found resistance at 78% retracement, and this time it found support at 88% of this entire trend. This was wave W and chart pattern was part of wave X, and next is our wave Y. Wave Y start at 1875 and it has 100% projection at 1733. So traders are waiting for the breakout of this 1765 low and their projection target at 1733. If you have missed these two top, then you can get one more chance. Fibonacci retracement of this intraday move have 50% retracement at 1830. Seller will again sell at this resistance. This was your static resistance, and we have two dynamic resistance, this blue trend line and this yellow trend line. Wave buy was started at 1875 until the price is trading below 1875 horizontal resistance. It would be considered bearish. Buyers will only buy on breakout below this level or breakout of this resistance 1875. Between these two level, seller will resell. You should not buy until clear breakout of this yellow trend line. This WXY wave start here and should finish here. To understand origin of this wave at this level, we have to go again on daily chart. On daily chart, we have this impulsive wave, then correction to this wave, and this WXY wave are part of this bearish trend. And when you draw Fibonacci extension tool, we get this projection at 1648. It cannot immediately go to 1648 because it is a daily chart. First it have to break this horizontal support 1765, and again it has to make sideways correction or some kind of chart pattern, then it can easily meet this projection target. Fibonacci retracement of this entire trend 61% is at 1689, and swing traders are not buying before that, and no one buy at 88%. If market reverses from 88% retracement of this trend, it cannot go much higher, and lower low of this trend at 61% retracement for this entire week, 1875 and 1765 are your support and resistance. It can again retest this trend line here and then make 100% projection of this trend. The primary trend had its projection at 1648. Until 1875 does not break, everyone will target for new lower low below 7065 to 6089. Don't try to buy gold until clear breakout of 1875 or wait till 61% retracement. On 4-hour time frame, this trend is secondary and which is part of primary trend, and primary bearish trend predict new lower low on daily chart. These two are your support and resistance for entire week. Subscribe for more videos like this, like and share these videos.